The three fasting ways at True North are this. You can fast on water, which is a complete cleanse. It's radical, and it takes stuff out of your body that has been there for 50 years. All old medications, all stuff that's been kind of tucked away gets cleaned out. The second one is the juice fast. It's not as radical, it's not as dramatic. It takes a little longer, but it also cleanses the body. And the third one is eating healthy foods, SOS-free, salt, oil, and sugar-free. They made me two promises, and I knew they were lying. Promise number one, that I would lose my food cravings. I'm an extraordinary sugar addict. Was an extraordinary sugar addict. I'm from Switzerland, the chocolate capital of the world, and I couldn't imagine a life without chocolate. So when they said I would lose my food cravings, I went, right, this I gotta see. Number two, they said that my taste buds would recalibrate to their original state, which means I would be able to taste food the way it was intended. Not covered with sugar, not covered with salt, not slimed with oil. Right, this I gotta see. Well, after 11 days of water fasting, solid water only, they gave me the menu. Breakfast, water. Lunch, water. Dinner, water. All snacks, water. I didn't think I could do it. I did, 11 days. When I came out, 11 days later, all my food cravings had disappeared. You can put chocolate knee-deep in front of me. I'm not interested. It looks brown to me. It's probably something dogs leave behind on the sidewalk. And my taste buds recalibrated to suddenly noticing how good food tastes. Biting into a carrot, which in the olden days was rabbit food, is a treat nowadays. And I couldn't see that coming. I did not understand that my taste buds had been so corrupted that I couldn't taste food. So now I get a kick out of an apple. I find a piece of watermelon indescribably delicious. And suddenly I no longer need all these added spices. And the last thing I want to share with you, George and I, knowing this was going to be really hard to eat like that, went to a spice shop and bought $60 worth of spices. You know, we need to add this and we need to add that, otherwise you can't eat this boring stuff. Our spices are quietly fading away on the spice rack because I don't want spices anymore. I want to taste what a cauliflower tastes like in its natural state because I love it. That's the gift of True North. And if you have any questions, I'd be happy to talk to you. Thanks.
Thank you.
Wonderful.